Hi, Busker909 here. That was my version of Bony Maronie. Classic rock and roll, originally done by a guy named Larry Williams, also done by Rolling Stones, Johnny Winters, boy, a whole ton of them. Anyway, it works out really good for our 3-string cigar box guitar. I'm tuned to G again today, G, D, G, open G. It's just a riff that you move around. Most of the versions start off from the 5, so this being the 1 chord, G, C, 4 chord, D would be the 5 chord. So you start the riff right there, and you hit 7 twice on the low string. And then 10, 11, and then on the middle string, 7, twice, and then 9, 7. I've got a little slapback echo there to make it sort of authentic 50s. Sort of might sound like it adds a note, but it's just 2 7s and a 9 and 7. And I mute a little bit too. You don't have to, but I sort of do. And then I go down to the 4 chord. And then I go down to the 1 chord and play the whole lick. So that'd be 0, 0 on the low string, 3, 4 on the low string, 0 on the middle, twice, 2, 0 on the middle, then 2 on the high, and then 3 on the middle, 2, and then 2 opens. So that little happens twice. And then for the fill-in parts, when the person was singing, which is not going to be me, by the way, I just do a standard boogie. Just like that. I think I'm actually doing like that. So it's open, open, then 2, put your finger down on the 2nd on the middle string, and open, open again. Whether you do it like that or either one will work. So the song technically starts from the vocal, which would be this. Then you play the main riff. Then you do that again. And then you go up to the 4 chord, because it's basically a blues. And you play the whole lick. I'll just run you through that. 5, 5 on the low, 8, 9, 5, 5 on the middle, 7, 5, still on the middle. Go to the high string, 5, 5, 8 on the middle, 7, and then 2 5s, 7, 5. And if you alternate pick, it gets quite easy. You can do it down picking. And I do know people who say that's the way that stuff should be played. Doesn't matter to me. Whatever way works for you is the best way. Then you're back to the 1 chord. Oh, I should point that out too. That second part of the riff is kind of accented. Like that. My camera sort of compresses things, so that might not have been that noticeable when I was playing it, but that's the way it is. Not delayed or anything, just tried to emphasize it there for you. And then once you've done that, you go up here, and the words are like, I love her, And then I just fill in with the boogie. She Loves Me. And then it's open. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, lick. If you want to emulate Johnny Winters when you hit the open chord, you can do this. That's just called a trill, and that's just the open string. High open string, 0 and 3. So. And I'm just ending it off with a 7th chord, a G7. This is your G note. This is your 3rd. This is your 7th. There's the octave. Major 7th. Dominant 7th. It's a good chord to end things with. Handy to know. Fun song. I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.